Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakate Sadmam Bandamoye Savadhana Mate Jaharam Prasad Imbai E Bhavato Riya Jahan Krishna Prapti Hoi Jahan Hoite. Wherever Shri Guru is, that's where Krishna Prapti happens, right? Wherever the sunrise are, and that's where sun gives the darshan, right? Wherever Sandhini Shakti is, that's where we know Bhagavan is, the shelter is. Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chitate Koriyaikyam Aranam Kuriho Mani Ashaham Shri Guru Charane Ratim Aise Uttamam Gatim Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asha. Bhagavan is Suhrut. Bhagavan is Sakshi. That Bhagavan, the very Bhagavan is given by this Bhagavata. He is giving us Bhagavan every moment, keeping us in the shelter of Bhagavan every moment, engaging us in the loving service of Bhagavan every moment, every moment. चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित हो प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित हो. You know, all these morning prayers, all of them, they're like alarm. When alarm goes off, all we have to do is simply wake up. We don't continue to sleep and then think of mechanics of alarm. I know the alarm is going off. How is this sound being transmitted? Oh, the sound waves are traveling like this. So this is how the alarm functions. We don't just continue to sleep and dream about the functionality of alarm. No. So all these prayers are, they are not, they cannot be caught by the mind or intelligence. There is no need and no place for the mind and intelligence to understand. Oh, so is this how I understand? No. Alarm means wake up. So these prayers are alarm, like you are Guru and Krishna's. Wake up to the fact and open your eyes. Then there is no more nidra, there is no more sleep, there is no more illusion. Wake up to this fact that you are Guru and Krishna's, that you are Satchit Ananda Vigraha. You are part and parcel of the Lord. And you are in the loving shelter of the Lord. And you are being lovingly engaged in the service of the Lord. It is happening. So wake up and see it. चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना. I am Adama, but Guru is Karuna Sindhu, because he's constantly engaging me in the loving service of Bhagavan. Rescue me from this mind and miserable waves of mind. Constantly rescuing and engaging in the loving service of Bhagavan. Adama Janara Bandhu. Loknath Lokera Jivana. आह प्रभु कोरोदयां देह मोरे पादचयम् एबिचाशु त्रिभुवानां श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावानां गुरुदेव होइलो शरणं जय प्रभुपदं जय प्रभुपदं जय प्रभुपदं श्रील प्रभुपदं जय गुरुदेवं जय गुरुदेवं जय गुरुदेवं जय गुरुदेवं. If Bhagavan is speaking, and if I can understand, and if I can do things, then why this Guru Ashtakam? Why this Guru Vandana? What is the need of this Guru Tattva? If Jiva Tattva can do everything to Bhagavan on its own. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyev cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. All the Vaishnavas are like desire-fulfilling trees. They are very dear to Bhagavan. I'm bowing down to all the Vaishnavas, taking their foot dust and smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera pada dhuli tahe mora snana keli tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama dhanamora nityananda. You know, humility is being in reality. Oh, I belong to Krishna. Everybody belongs to Krishna. That's the reality. And everybody is Krishna's. That's the reality. Then what do? Oh, we bow down. I bow down to Krishna. I bow down to Krishna that's present in everybody. I bow down. Vaishnavera pada dhuli tahe mora snana keli tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama. When we cry out to Nityanandaram and Gaurachandra, and this happens very quickly, realizing, oh, so everybody belongs to Krishna. I want to bow down to them. That is easily induced by praying to Nitai, Gaurachandra. Otherwise, why Nitai? Why Gaura? If I can do everything to Krishna myself, why Nitai? Why Gaura? Dhanamora Nityananda Patimora Gaurachandra Pranamora Yugala Kishore Vrindaye Tulsidevyai Priyaye Kesavasyacham Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. These are the groves of Vrindavana. Shri Shri Radha Madhava's place. This is where we belong to, on the land of divine love. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namaha. Radha Krishna Seva Pao Eyi Abhilashi. ये तुम्हारा शरणालय तारावांच पूर्ण होय कृपा कोरी कोरो तारे वृंदावन वासी मोरये अभिलाष विलास कुंज दियोवास नयने हरिभो सदम युगल रूपरासी ऐ निवेदना धारो सखीरनुगत कोरो Sevadhikaro diyam koroni chadasi. Sakiranugatya seva. Please say this is the alarm going off. Sakiranugatya seva. Whoa. So this is where I belong to? Grooves of Vrindavana. So all I got to do is Sakiranugatya seva? Yes. Dina Krishna dase hoy namora hoy Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sadayena Vasim Yani Kani cha Papani Brahmatyadikani cham Tani Tani Pranashyante Pradakshina Pade Pade.